everybody! Welcome to my first video for Project Life 2020. I'm documenting weekly this year and I hope to film making each of these weeks. So let's get going with week 1. I'm mainly working with the January scrap kit by Document Life Stories called Adventure. For this first page, I already made a monthly card and a shaker pocket before I decided to film my process. This fireworks photo that completes the page does not need much of the decoration, so I just added one of the labels and a sticker that says Happy New Year to finish off the page. I really don't like it when I see the white from the picture on the other side of the pocket, so I always tape the photos together. It's a bit of extra work, but it's worth it to me. I was free the first week of January, so I have several stories to document. I've got so many photos that I decided to add a 3x8 insert for the week, so we're off to a good start of the year. But let's take it one pocket at a time. Most of the photos are of the Barbie exhibit that I visited with my mom, like this one with the rainbow of clothes. I'm going through the banners and the stickers that came with the kit to find a good phrase for this photo, but then I saw a sticker that said book lover. Since the other photo on this side of the spread is of the book that I started reading, I'm going to work on that picture next. I'm doing the same thing as I did with the fireworks photo. I'm going through the labels to find one and I'm putting the sticker on top of the label, and then I'm sticking the label to the picture. Easy as that. Back to the rainbow of clothing. I'm cutting the photo down to just the clothes and I'm making it a full 4x6 card again by adding some of the design paper. It's easiest to add the paper so that the complete card is bigger than the size you need, and then to just cut it down to the right size after everything is stuck together. To finish this card, I'm adding one of the silicone banners that says Happy Memories, and I'm putting one of the labels behind it. I'm going through the sentiments on the banners and the stickers again to find one that works for this picture and to make it feel like the whole week is one whole. Basically, I'm using the design paper that I also used on the rainbow photo. I have a thin strip of the design paper and I'm cutting it into the shape of a banner, and then I'm adding a label that says "Get the picture." I've already started on the week card before I started filming. All I did was adding some washi tape and the alpha stickers spelling out week 1 to this card. It didn't feel quite done yet, so I'm going through the embellishments to find something to finish the card. After some searching, I'm going with one of the girls, and I also decide that I'm going to add a girl to each of the week cards. Hopefully I'll remember next time I'm making a card. I colored her hair and her shoes for a final touch, and that's another card in the pocket. I like to keep the decorations on my photos to a minimum, and all that this photo needs is a label with a little bit of journaling, similar to the other photos. I'm using a Staedtler fineliner in the same color as the kit, so it fits in nicely. I'm going through the cards that came with the kit to find one of the journaling cards that works well. The card gives me some more space to write about the exhibit and about the other things that happened in the week. I'm adding a strip of the design paper again to make that cohesive feeling for the whole spread. The second part of the journaling is about celebrating my birthday and the gifts that I got from my family. I have one photo left for the Barbie exhibit, and I'm using the same formulas for all the other ones. I'm cutting a strip of the design paper, I'm choosing a label, and in this case I also write out a little bit of journaling on the label, and then I stick it to the photo. My tape runner has some issues with the paper, so I'm using some double-sided tape to get it to stick to the photo. For the last two photos for the week, it's the same idea. I'm using some of the design paper, I'm adding a label and a silicone banner or a sticker with a sentiment, and that's the decoration. I wanted two separate pockets in the lower part of the page protector, but I don't have those with that design, so I'm making my own by using the fuse tool. I've had it heating up already, so it's all ready to use. I carefully measured out the size of the pocket using the insert, and then I fused the pocket on both sides. It's not fused perfectly, but it works well enough to keep the cards where they should stay, and they fit well. And that's it. Week 1 is in the pocket, literally. In the close-up photos you can see that I added a January to the shaker, and I switched the photos around in the insert. I did that to divide the bulk a bit more because everything was at the bottom, making the album very chunky already with just 1 week. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, leave me a comment, and tag me on Instagram if I've been able to inspire you. You can find me there as Plan with Ink as well. See you in the next video. Bye!